Melbi in the sunlight, working with a smile, cutting PVC, going that extra mile. Sew's all in her hand, she's a master of the trade. Building swimming pools, her passion won't fade. From concrete to tile, she makes dreams come true. Every pool build is custom to you. Melbi the Plumber, shining so bright, bringing joy in the sun. Day turns to night, from cozy spots to pools, creating delight. Melbi, our plumber, in the warm summer light. Custom jacuzzi jets flowing like a dream. Plumbing the spa, she's the queen of the scene. With every installation, she lights up the day, making summer memories in a brilliant array. With every pool she builds, happiness starts. In every splashing wave, she captures our hearts. Melbi the Plumber, shining so bright, bringing joy in the sun. Day turns to night, from cozy spots to pools, creating delight. Melbi, our plumber, in the warm summer light. To the builder, the girl with magic hands. Melbi keeps building throughout the Golden State land. So here's to the builder, the girl with magic hands. Melbi keeps building throughout the Golden State land. Melbi the Plumber, shining so bright, bringing joy in the sun. Day turns to night, from cozy spots to pools, creating delight. Melbi, our favorite plumber, in the warm summer light. So here's to the builder, the girl with magic hands. Melbi keeps building throughout the Golden State land. In the shadows of the city where the pipes intertwine, Melbi wields a wrench like a sword divine. Beneath the concrete lies a world so deep. She taps into the rhythm, the current she'll keep. With steel in her veins, she's a force of nature. Melbi, the plumber, queen of the blue, crafting liquid beauty, a vision so true. Covers her dreams, building paradise where water gleams. Each flash of victory, each tireless song. Melbi reigns in the depths where the brave belong. Through sweat and grit she'll